Hi everyone, in this video I want to talk with you about how to save money and time when you're doing subfloor preparation. If you need to do self-leveling your apartment or house in your rooms, hallway, bathroom, you can use this tool. This is concrete leveling tripod. How these tools work? You see the bottom plate, you can raise it up or down and set up the height. How many self-leveling compound you have to put? Very easy. When you fill up self-leveling compound, when it's come to this bottom plate, done. Take it off, then roll this out whole subfloor and done. When it's getting dry, you can start installation your floor. So this tool's using many professional companies, and also you can use it for your deal projects. If you have a recent project, it's time to get these tripods. I have special offer. If you buy 12 tripods, you will get spike roller and spike shoes for free. Also, I do free shipping within Canada and US, lead time 1-2 business days. Now I wanna show you how you can do your job fast and save money when using these tools. Here is a very good example how you can save time and money. You see the green, I put line here, this is the highest point, and floor sloping to another side almost 1.5 inch. How many time you have to spend to fill up by this line whole floor if you don't have tripods? And I don't know how many times you have to go to the store to buy material, because you never know how many self-leveling compound do you need. Sometimes you buy more, sometimes you buy less, but with tripods you buy exactly what you need because you know amount. So here is another example. How to join that room what I leveled before with same height to bathroom and hallway. I set up with laser this room using tripods and then fill up this area, and we get very good result. You see, I hope this video was very helpful for you. If you have any question, don't hesitate, ask me. I always answer you. See you on next video.